Discover the perfect blend of affordability, design flexibility, and ease of installation with the WarmlyYours FlexRoll Kit. Paired with the nSpire Touch programmable thermostat, this system is the perfect solution for adding radiant heating to spaces of any size. The TempZone FlexRoll provides a versatile, easy, and efficient solution for radiant floor heating, while the circuit check functionality ensures a problem-free setup for final peace of mind. Here's what you can find in the kit. First is your TempZone FlexRoll. This is an electric heating element designed to provide radiant warmth under your flooring. It comes in 18-inch or 32-inch wide rolls with lengths that range from 4 to 70 feet, covering from 12 to 210 square feet. This ensures even heat distribution, creating a comfortable and energy-efficient living space. Its ultra-thin design features a 1/8 inch thick heating cable for seamless integration under flooring. The heating cables are securely attached to a durable mesh for easy installation. The mesh can be cut and turned to fit around obstacles, which is ideal for custom floor plans. It operates at 15 watts per square foot for consistent and efficient heating, and it's suitable for use under tile, stone, hardwood, laminate, and luxury vinyl floorings. It's perfect for adding warmth and comfort to bathrooms, kitchens, and other living spaces. Next is the nSpire Touch programmable thermostat. This is an affordable and easy-to-use thermostat that allows up to 6 daily temperature changes per day, which optimizes comfort and energy savings. It's equipped with a large backlit display for clear and convenient viewing. It also features a child lock function to prevent unintended adjustments and includes an energy log to track usage and optimize consumption. It includes a floor sensor that can serve as a primary or backup sensor, ensuring consistent operation even if one should fail. Our thermostats operate with both 120 volt and 240 volt systems. Next is our WarmlyYours circuit check. This offers real-time monitoring and continuously checks for issues during installation. It will beep to alert if a short or break is detected, allowing for corrections before the system is fully embedded. It offers real-time feedback, which eliminates guesswork, making the installation process faster and more efficient. It also ensures that the heating system is functioning correctly before the flooring is installed, giving peace of mind to both installers and homeowners. You'll also receive an additional backup sensor. This will allow for a seamless switch in case the primary one should fail, preventing system downtime and maintaining consistent floor temperatures. The WarmlyYours FlexRoll Kit includes a 25-year no-nonsense warranty on the heating element and a 3-year warranty on the thermostat. It also offers 24/7 technical support and free design services available on demand, ensuring a seamless and supported installation experience.